Welcome to a modern sanctuary nestled in the heart of Vermont's Green Mountains with breathtaking views. 822 Lincoln Hill Road isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. As you step through the grand entrance, you're greeted by soaring 23-foot cathedral ceilings and a flood of natural light. The open floor plan connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas into a seamless space perfect for entertaining and everyday living. The chef's kitchen boasts a 6-burner gas stove, double ovens, and an exquisite quartz island, making it a culinary dream. A custom spiral staircase leads to a loft area for enjoying the mountain views. Relax in the living area, featuring a cozy gas fireplace and stunning views through oversized sliding glass doors that lead to a covered deck overlooking the property's private pond. The primary suite is a retreat in itself, featuring a spacious walk-in closet, a soaking tub, and refined finishes throughout. The Walkout lower level features 11-foot ceilings, a spacious entertainment area, and 3 additional bedrooms. Just a short drive from Burlington, this newly built home in Hinesburg offers unparalleled luxury and privacy. Experience the epitome of Vermont luxury living. Schedule your private viewing today.